Arrested Saturday night for misdemeanor domestic battery. Now welcome in NFL insider Adam Schefter with the details.
Hakeem, Chad Johnson is actually still in police custody as we speak right now, and he will have to see a judge before he's released, and he will obviously have to state his case. The argument started while he and his new wife, Evelyn Lozada, who he married on July 4th, they were in their car, they were pulling into their driveway, and according to police, she claims he leaned over and headbutted her. He claims to police that she leaned forward and they bumped heads accidentally, but Johnson's wife has a laceration on her forehead. She was treated on the scene and transported to the hospital. So clearly this is a situation that's developing, but if you go back to the episode of Hard Knocks last week, there was an incident and a scene in which Chad Johnson was using foul language, and with that foul language, Joe Philbin said if he did it again, then he might have to be in a situation where he would wind up releasing Chad Johnson. So clearly, I think it's fair to say that his future with the Dolphins is in limbo.
And Adam, also on that episode, he had said that he was going to go out and get arrested on the off day, which is, he was joking, but it comes as a little bit of a surprise, considering that he changed his name from Ocho Cinco back to Johnson. We thought we made more of a serious Chad Johnson in Miami, but now with this happening, we can only allegedly think that he's going to go back to his kind of joking, troubled side here.
Well, the one thing about Chad Johnson, he's always been a prankster. He's always been entertaining. He's always been funny. He's never been in trouble before. So this is a first time for that, at least the first time that people know about publicly. And obviously it's disappointing. You're talking about a very serious crime, and clearly the NFL will look into it. The Dolphins will look into it. The legal action will play itself out however it sees fit. And obviously it's something that's going to be very disappointing to a lot of people.
Adam Schefter.